It completely destroyed the idea that a laptop had to be thick, loud, and battery-hungry to be powerful. But as we have moved through the M2, M3, M4, and M5 generations, a dangerous narrative started to build. People started saying Apple had plateaued. They said the leaps in performance were getting smaller. They said the M series had reached its natural limit. But those people have absolutely no idea what is happening behind the heavily guarded doors of Apple Park right now. Because the leaks, the supply chain reports, and the industry whispers are all pointing to one terrifying reality for the competition. The upcoming MacBook Pro equipped with the M6 Max chip is not a simple evolution. It is a complete and total rewriting of the laws of mobile computing physics. And it is going to make everything you currently own feel incredibly obsolete. To understand why the M6 Max is such a seismic event, you have to understand the invisible wall that every single chip manufacturer has been slamming into for the past 3 years. It is called the nanometer barrier. For a long time, the only way to make a computer faster was to make the microscopic transistors on the chip smaller, allowing you to pack more of them into the exact same physical space. But we have reached a point where these transistors are so unimaginably tiny that quantum mechanics start messing with the electrical signals. This is where Apple and their manufacturing partner, TSMC, are pulling off what can only be described as engineering dark magic. The M6 Max is slated to be built on an unprecedented 2-nanometer process node, combined with a revolutionary 3D packaging technology. Instead of just laying transistors flat next to each other like a sprawling city, Apple is building skyscrapers. They are stacking the logic boards, the unified memory, and the neural engines vertically. This completely eliminates the microscopic travel time between components. The data does not have to commute anymore. It is already exactly where it needs to be. What does that actually mean for you when you open the lid of this machine? It means zero latency. It means a level of instantaneous responsiveness that human brains are barely equipped to process. When you scrub through an 8K uncompressed raw video timeline in Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve, there is no buffering. There is no rendering bar. The playhead just moves as fast as your fingers can drag it on the trackpad. It means you can open a cinematic 3D environment in Blender, turn on real-time ray tracing, and fly the camera through the scene with the exact same fluidity as browsing a simple web page. We're talking about workstation-class, multi-thousand-dollar desktop tower performance, crammed into a sleek aluminum chassis that you can slide into a backpack and take to a coffee shop. But raw speed is only half of the story here. The real reason the M6 Max is going to dominate the market is because of what is happening with artificial intelligence. We have officially entered the era where AI is no longer a gimmick. It is the fundamental core of how professional work gets done. Up until now, truly heavy AI workloads, like training massive language models, generating hyperrealistic video from text, or compiling millions of lines of code, had to be offloaded to massive server farms in the cloud. You had to rely on a fast internet connection, and you had to pay exorbitant subscription fees to companies like OpenAI or Google just to access that computing power. The M6 Max changes that paradigm completely. Apple is completely supercharging the neural engine on the M6 Max.